In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Photos album. If you want to send a photo album to friends, family, or coworkers, Google Photos makes the process pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open your album and use the sharing options available on desktop or laptop. To get started, open Google Photos on your laptop or PC. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. This is important because the album you want to share will only appear in the account where it was created or saved. Once Google Photos is open, look for the Albums section. This is where your organized photo collections are stored. Depending on your screen size or layout, albums may appear in a side menu or within the main navigation area. Go ahead and click into Albums so you can view all the albums connected to your account. Next, select the album you want to share. Take a moment here to confirm that it's the correct album before moving on, especially if you have several albums with similar photos or titles. Opening the album first helps you make sure you're sharing exactly what you intend to share. After the album opens, look for the three-dot menu, usually found near the top area of the album. Click that menu and then select the album option related to sharing. This menu is where Google Photos gives you more actions for managing the album, including how you want to send it to others. From there, you'll see the available sharing methods. You can share the album directly with people by entering a name, a phone number, or an email address. This is useful if you want to send the album to specific individuals. Google Photos may also let you create a shareable link, which is helpful if you want to send the album through messaging apps, chat, or another platform. When using a shareable link, keep in mind that anyone with that link may be able to view the album depending on your sharing settings. So before sending it out, it's a good idea to double check that you're comfortable with who can access those photos. And that's all it takes to share a Google Photos album on your computer. Open Google Photos, go to Albums, choose the album you want, click the three dots, and use the sharing option that works best for you. Once you've done it once, it becomes very quick and easy to repeat anytime you need to share more memories.